let's say for example, my mom, and she sees, she goes to some frum place, and I don't know, she sees some Gersh magazine or a woman with her legs, without what's it called, leggings or something like that, and she says, or a red dress, a bright dress, and they say, see, look, everything's okay, so on and so forth. What should I say in return?
Could you please repeat the question? I didn't get. Yeah.
In cases where women or families are very lenient, or very or have some, I don't know, oh, they should go to college or this or that. So, then exactly. So with those families, how do you explain that this isn't? How do you explain it to someone without saying lashon hara? We'll say it that way.
That's a very good question. So if you think it's a simple question, it's not a simple question, because as you said, otherwise it's going to be lashon hara, and it's not going to be for constructive purpose, right? So what we were learning today, constructive purpose meaning you try to help that person, right? That you saw. So you're not trying to help this lady with a red dress, right, or with a short sleeve. So basically, I always say, like, we don't learn the laws from them, right? We learn the laws from the books. We have our books and definition, what is correct dressing for a Jew, what is not correct from a dress. It came from Mount Sinai, from Moshe Rabbeinu, from God himself, and he gave us definition. So, and then she would say, so Moshe Rabbeinu, so God, and how did he tell? So, okay, he said, that's a different story, and he started telling her all of the story from the beginning. You understand? And then they get confused, and and that's it. But basically, you're right. So you cannot say they're modern, they're not good, and stuff like that. I mean, first of all, maybe only this woman is not. Maybe one daughter is not good. All others are good, and maybe she's coming back to Judaism, right? And now she'll hear this comment of yours, and she's going to get upset. So basically, I mean, without talking bad, so I said that's now not our way. So she's not Jewish enough. That's not our way. That's right. So try not to speak lashon hara, because one more time, it's not for constructive purpose, and it's not helping her in this situation. So it's a good question.